Welcome back to the quick start video series for C programming. We are developing a game of Tic Tac Toe, and in the process we are trying to understand the basics of C programming. Today we are going to look at the final file called board.c. This is the file header, and here we have made a change. We have changed the board from integer type to character type, and we have recorded the changes over here. We have made a change for printf as well, and I have discussed why we have made these changes. The only global variable we are referring over here is board. The first function is the initialization function. See, board 00 will be initialized to 0, this will be initialized to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So this is how the array is going to look, 0, 1, 2, 3, and all these things are going to be ASCII values. Integer I and j are going to be used for the for loop. X is initialized to ASCII value of 0. You see these single inverted commas over here. This means ASCII value of 0. And within this for loop, we are going to access all the elements. I have already explained the logic behind this. I'm just trying to show you once again. And x plus plus is, with every rotation of the for loop, x is going to be incremented, and it's going to be incremented from 0, 1, 2, 3 up till 8. Then we have the display. The functionality is very similar. We have two for loops. We have put some printfs over here for formatting, etc., and you can have a look at this. And then we are putting %c, which means the character, and all these characters are ASCII characters, and these will be printed. Now if you look at this, now if this is x, 00 is x, so what will actually be printed over here will be an x rather than, and if this is at this second position, if you look at this position, it's O. So what will be printed is actually an O, single O. So this will be the output in the case that we have above. 5 is x over here. So this is what will be printed, and I and j are for the for loop. So there is a for loop within the for loop. We have discussed all these previously as well. This is an interesting statement. If I is not equal to 2, so if you look at how we have to print this, we have to print it when I is equal to 0, when I is equal to 1, we have to print this line, but when I is equal to 2, we will omit this line, so that we just have two lines, and that is why we have this particular statement. If I is not equal to 2, you have to print this. The \n means a new line character. We have discussed that as well. And finally we have once a player selects a move, a position from 0 to x, and from 0 to 8, and x or an O is entered here. So if a player selects 0 for the first move, then at 0 what we will have an x over here. So player 1 is denoted by x. This is how things are going to happen. In make move, we know that y is equal to, the move will be passed from the main function, from the caller function, and the caller is going to be at main. If you look at this make move, so we got the move from here, and this move is passed here, board make move, and when this move comes here, it is going to be converted to y and x, and if it is player 1, then we have to enter an x. If it is player 2, then we have to enter a 0 at y and x. And if something unexpected happens, we just say unexpected operation. So this covers all the files. It covers putting together everything and seeing how things are working. And there are a couple of things that we can enhance in this program, and we are going to see that in the next video. Thank you.